Hello बच्चों, let's read this question. So the question says that why are BeSO4 and MgSO4 readily soluble in water while CaSO4, SrSO4 and BaSO4 are insoluble. So we have to give the reason why BeSO4 and MgSO4 are soluble in water while CaSO4 and SrSO4, BaSO4 are insoluble. So let's solve this question. So first we'll see in this question we'll consider two things. One is hydration enthalpy and another is lattice enthalpy. So on the basis of these two things we'll give the reason or we'll discuss the question like BeSO4, MgSO4 are readily soluble in water while CaSO4, SrSO4 and BeSO4 are insoluble on the basis of these two things. So if we'll see the hydration enthalpy of BeSO4, the hydration enthalpy of BeSO4 and MgSO4. BeSO4 and MgSO4, the hydration enthalpy of BeSO4 and MgSO4 are quite high. Because of their small size. Because of small size of Be2 plus and Mg2 plus. So due to their small size, hydration enthalpy of BeSO4 and MgSO4 are quite high. So these hydration enthalpy values are higher than their corresponding lattice enthalpy. And we can say that this hydration enthalpy values are higher than their corresponding lattice enthalpies. And for this reason, or we can say that these hydration enthalpy values are higher than their corresponding lattice enthalpy, or they overcome the lattice enthalpy. So BeSO4 and MgSO4 are readily soluble in water. And CaSO4 and SrSO4 and BaSO4, their hydration enthalpy are not very high as compared to their respective lattice enthalpy. So they are insoluble in water. If you see the case of CaSO4, SrSO4 and BaSO4. So in these cases, the hydration enthalpy is not very high as compared to their lattice enthalpy. Compared to their lattice enthalpy. So they are insoluble. So now we'll understand all in a summary, like we'll give the answer. We'll discuss this on the basis of generally two things. One is hydration enthalpy and another is lattice enthalpy. So if hydration enthalpy overcomes the lattice enthalpy, then this can be soluble in water. But if not, then they are insoluble. So in case of BeSO4 and MgSO4, when we will go down the, or when we will moving down the group, so size increases, and B and SO4 and MgSO4 has small size, so they have more hydration enthalpy. And when we'll go from top to bottom, hydration enthalpy decreases due to increase in size of ions. Hydration enthalpy decreases. As B2 plus and Mg2 plus has small size, so they have high hydration enthalpy, and which can overcome the lattice enthalpies. So they are readily soluble in water. But in case of CaSO4, SrSO4 and BaSO4, they have large size and their hydration enthalpy is also low, and it is not very high as compared to their lattice enthalpy. So the hydration enthalpy cannot overcome the lattice enthalpy. So they are insoluble in water. So there is two things. If hydration enthalpy overcome the lattice enthalpy, then they are soluble. If not, then they are not soluble or they are insoluble. So this is the answer of this question. Hope you will understand this question. Best of luck.